Did you know that the amount of sunlight that falls on the Earth in 1 hour is enough to power the whole world for over a year? We are already using solar power, but wouldn't it be great if we could harvest even more? Solar panels are typically made from silicon, which means that they are heavy, rigid, and very energy intensive to make. Some solar panels take up to 2 years of collecting energy before they can offset the energy that it took to make them in the first place. I think we can do better than this. In fact, I know we can do better than this, and I'm helping to figure out how. My project is all about carbon-based solar panel materials for the ultimate power move. Carbon-based solar panel materials work completely differently from silicon, which means we can completely rethink the way that they look. Carbon-based solar panel materials are lightweight, flexible, and even transparent. Imagine wearing a t-shirt that harvested solar energy. Or imagine putting solar panels on the outside of planes. Or imagine an office building covered head to toe in solar panel windows. Truly, the sky is the limit. The problem is that our understanding of how these carbon-based materials work is catching up with what we can do in the lab. When a carbon-based material absorbs light, there are two particles that are released. One is negatively charged. This is your electron. One is positively charged. This is your hole. And we need to make sure that they separate from each other in order to produce energy. It's almost like a complicated partner ice skating routine. In an ice skating routine, you have two figure dancers, sometimes gliding together, sometimes gliding apart, and often coming together and apart many times in their dance. Inside a carbon-based panel, you have an electron and a hole with their very own complicated partner dance. My job is to make sure that we can separate them, make them move away from each other to the opposite side of the panel to give us a current and produce that energy that we're looking for. If we can understand the dance, then we can begin to choreograph it and make sure that we're getting the most out of our carbon material. So one day you might see carbon-based solar panels popping up all over. That would be great because in my opinion, that would be the ultimate power move.